Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are here with the contents of remaining alcohol related disorders. The next one, alcohol intoxication. It is also known as simple drunkenness. According to DSM-5, alcohol intoxication are based on evidence of recent ingestion of ethanol, maladaptive behavior, and at least one of the several possible physiological correlates of intoxication. Clinical features, behavioral changes, slowness in motor performance, decrease in the ability to think clearly, impairment in coordination and judgment, ataxia, lability of mood, cognitive deterioration, nausea and vomiting, slurring of speech, memory impairment, especially anterograde amnesia and blackouts. The next classification is alcohol withdrawal. In persons who have been drinking heavily over a prolonged period of time, any rapid decrease in the amount of alcohol in the body is likely to produce withdrawal symptoms. It can include seizures and autonomic hyperactivity. According to DSM-5, alcohol withdrawal requires the cessation or reduction of alcohol use that was heavy and prolonged, as well as the presence of specific physical or neuropsychiatric symptoms. Clinical features, tremulousness, perceptual symptoms such as delusions and hallucinations, seizures, delirium tremens, general irritability, GI symptoms, sympathetic autonomic hyperactivity, including facial flushing, tachycardia, mild hypertension, etc. Treatments are benzodiazepine, carbamazepine, beta-adrenergic receptor antagonist, and clonidine. The next classification is delirium. It is also known as alcohol withdrawal delirium or delirium tremens. Essential features of this syndrome occur within 1 week after a person stopped drinking or reduced the intake of alcohol. Clinical features, tremors, autonomic hyperactivity, tachycardia, diaphoresis, fever, anxiety, insomnia, hypertension, visual or tactile hallucinations, fluctuations in the psychosocial activity. Treatment. The best treatment is prevention, other than benzodiazepines and antipsychotics. Next one, alcohol-induced persisting dementia, that is long-term cognitive problem due to alcoholism. Thank you.